We'll guide you through how to backup data for Jira. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing Jira. Once your browser is ready, go to 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘 by entering the website address into the address bar. Choose the login method you want to use, for example Google, for a faster and more convenient sign-in experience. When the available accounts are displayed, select the account you want to use for managing your Jira projects and workspace. After selecting the correct account, click Continue to access the Jira dashboard. Once you are inside Jira, click the Settings icon to open the administration and configuration options available for your workspace. From the Settings menu, select System to access advanced system management features. Next, select Backup Manager to open the backup tools provided by Jira. Click Create Backup for Cloud to generate a backup of your Jira data. Now you have successfully created a backup of your Jira data. Click Download Cloud Backup to download the backup file to your computer and store it in a secure location for future use. For the second method, you can use a third-party backup application available through the Atlassian Marketplace. Click Apps to open the Apps menu and view available integrations. Select Explore More Apps to access the Atlassian Marketplace and browse additional applications. In the search bar, type Backup and press Enter to search for available backup solutions. Scroll down and choose the app you want to use, for example the app shown in the video. After opening the app page, click Get It Now to begin the installation process. Select Review to examine the permissions, access requirements, and information provided by the application. Review the permissions and information displayed on the screen, then click Get It Now again to continue the installation process. Now you have successfully installed the backup application, and you can start backing up your Jira data using the features provided by that app.